Who are you giving a hug?
Aww.
Who is that?
Felipe.
Felipe? Is he giving you a hug? Say I love you, Felipe.
I love you, Felipe. I love you, Felipe.
Is that your new friend?
Yeah.
We got the best animals. Say good boy, Felipe. Say good boy.
Good boy, Felipe.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Don't cry, Felipe.
Was he crying?
Yeah.
Was Felipe crying?
Don't cry. Don't cry, please.
Oh, careful. I don't want him to kick you.
Say good boy, Felipe.
Good boy, Felipe. Don't cry.
Is Felipe crying?
Don't cry, Felipe. I'm hungry.
Say good boy, Felipe.
Don't cry, Felipe.
Is Felipe done? Does he want to get up?
I think he wants to get up now. You want to let him get up? Yeah, Felipe, why don't you get up?
Don't cry.
See if he wants to get up.
You want to see if he wants to get up?
No.
Yeah, let's let him up.
Oh, careful. Good boy, Felipe.
That was a good boy. You gave Felipe a hug.
Come here, kitty cat.
You gave Felipe a hug. Give me a high five. That was nice.
Careful, fire. Careful.